Alright everybody, welcome to part 1 of the Wreckers. It's like a review. And here we have Bluestreak. So Bluestreak was one of the Autobot survivors, and one of the things about him was that he basically fought from the shadows because he lacked the firepower of, say, like Impactor or some of the other Autobots. And yeah, so as you can tell right here, he's based off of the Combiner Wars Streetwise Prowl, also used, it's like for Smokescreen, that version of the mold. And yeah, he's mostly blue, but he has like a silver hood in the front, the gray on the side. Says Turbo. Has black details on the hood there. Yeah, very nice looking figure overall. If not a bit plain. Love the colors on the legs though. So yeah, overall you know, decent figure, but you know, one we've seen before and does the job quite well. So yeah, they did also release a decal set for him, which is surprisingly affordable on seen it on eBay for like around $40–50, you know, for such BotCon things. So something to consider, but I kind of like him the way he is. So yeah, let's get him transformed. Nothing we haven't seen before. Up you go, arms. Very, very tight arms on this guy. And there we go. There we have him in robot mode. And yeah, let's give him his gun. I can take his other hand foot gun, which is cast in gray. Yeah. And there's a Bluestreak for you, who is mostly blue. Kind of a weird naming conventions with this guy. So yeah, let's move on in. So we can see, yeah, nice detail on the legs. Great to break it up. Nice color variance in the waist section. Head very similar to Smokescreen. Got the black painted arms. So lots of color variances overall. Yeah. And yeah, another great use of this mold. And yeah, like as I said earlier, he was included. It's like with the subscription series 4.0, which also included Impactor, so they came in a 2-pack. So it's one of the things you might want to consider, you know, when getting both of them. Right. So yeah, that was Bluestreak for you, and stay tuned now for Impactor later.